Today I'm going to show you how to make a new memory card file in the Dolphin Emulator and import a GCI file. So if you have any saves that are 100% complete files or something like that, then you can make a new memory card and then import that save into the memory card, and then we can all just start the game with 100% completion. This video is serving as mostly a self-reminder because I've had to do this a couple of times and have forgotten how to do it. So for the video, we are importing a 100% complete file for Sonic Adventure 2 Battle. I also have Chow Garden data, but I'll deal with that later. This is kind of an ordeal. I don't know why Dolphin saves its memory card files in such a weird spot. It might be because of the way I have it installed or whatever. Let me just start out by opening Dolphin. I have a second-hand Dolphin emulator from my previous computer installed on this one. I think some of the files that this emulator is pulling from to run is coming from an update where the update installed into separate folders where this would have been. It's complicated, but anyway, I'm going to show you how to manage your memory card files. Tools. You go to Tools, go down to Memory Card Manager, and then what's going to show is this screen. This is your memory card. If you do not have a memory card, then it's simple. You go to Create, you can just click it'll start out with what you want. 2000 blocks, Western, Create. And this is going to pop up. This is the folder in which your memory card saves in. See right there, memory card A USA, that's the current memory card that you saw when I first opened this. Now we're going to name this one memory card B for presentation purposes. I'm going to delete this memory card later. This is going to save as a RAW file. That's the file type. It absolutely has to have the .usa behind whatever name you give it. You can name it Frank, and as long as it has .usa, it's going to work. Save. Now you have in your slot A spot up here is your memory card. You can click Open. These are your different memory cards. See, I made one called Frank, memory card A, and memory card B. Those are the memory cards. Now, all you have to do from this point, if you have data that you want to import and use, click on Import. Now that you have saved your memory card file. I have data sitting on the desktop, so we're going to go to it. Sonic Adventure 2 emblems. Open. There it is. It's seriously that simple. Then you can just hit close. And you're done. If you're just ready to start the game, there you go. You're done. So what we're going to do from this point, though, is we're going to click on Open. And see, the reason why we're looking at Open is because this is important. I'm going to use this directory to follow where my memory card files are. If you don't know where your memory card files are, this is what you should do as well. I have to find the folder that this is contained in using File Explorer. I can go into my hard drive and so on and so forth. The folder that this saved in is called App Data. It's a hidden folder, App Data, and then it goes to Roaming, and then it goes to Dolphin Emulator, and then it goes to GC, and then this is the folder. It's complicated, and that's why I'm making this video, so I can remind myself where to go. I don't need Frank, I don't need memory card B. We're deleting those. Memory card A has all the data that I just imported. That's what this video is here for, is to relearn myself in the future how to do this and how to manage my memory card stuff for the Dolphin Emulator, because it's a nightmare every time I want to do it because I can never remember. It's a little more complicated than PCSX2's memory card system, but it's actually really simple. It's actually super easy. You just got to know where to click. Let's click on Sonic Adventure 2 Battle, and look at that. Everything is rank A. 100% of the map is rank A. You have all the Chow emblems. Everything's rank A. All of it. What could this be? I already know what that is, and the whole reason I did this is so I can play that level. For my next video, I'm going to play Green Hill Zone in Sonic Adventure 2, just for the fun of it. Thank you for watching.